Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alina Mirza and I'm back with a new vlog. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alina Mirza and I'm back with a new vlog. So it's actually a very random vlog that I just thought to make, and it's actually not just a vlog, it's something which is very creative, and I would like to what do I say, share it with you also. Actually, I was just cleaning the stuff and my cupboard and everything, and I just found a treasure of nostalgic memories in the form of these beautiful cards. I have this habit, मुझे कोई भी कार्ड देता है या कोई भी इस तरीके के लेटर एंड एनीथिंग, मुझे काफ़ी इस तरीके की चीज़ें हैं मेरे पास. सो मैं ये कलेक्ट करके रख लेती हूँ अपने पास, बिकॉज आई एम लाइक टू ओल्ड स्कूल व्हेन इट कम्स टू थिंग्स. 10-15 years old cards I have with me, and yeah, even I remember this is one card my one of my friend used to I think in class 3rd gave me, and see, I just have this card even now. I'm gonna be like sharing a picture of it to her also. So yeah, anyway, तो जब चैट जीपीटी का ज़माना नहीं था तब बहुत ज़्यादा क्रिएटिविटी थी लोगों में, और मुझे हमेशा से लिखने का बहुत शौक था. सो या आई यूज टू राइट अ लॉट. तो मैंने ना इस तरीके की छोटी मोटी पोएम्स या सॉन्ग्स वगैरह मेरा मन करता था लिखने का. सो मैंने एक पोएम लिखी थी. ऑब्वियसली इतनी अच्छी ग्रामेटिकल नहीं है क्योंकि आई वाज टू यंग व्हेन आई रोट इट, बट स्टिल आई थिंक इट्स सुपर क्रिएटिव एंड आई थॉट टू शेयर इट. सो या, it's authentic. It's something which I wrote by myself, so I just want to share it. So इसका title है Finding Me. Maybe I was in a contemplation mood at that time, so I just wrote it, Finding Me. Just to find myself, I sit every day. Think harder just to find my way. Sometimes I feel that the life is so unfair. It makes me weak, scared, and force me to think that I should end it here. Oh my god, I think I was in a depressive mood. I don't know. Anyway, crying, growling, I sulk sometimes with pain. Need someone to talk about all this, what's happening inside me. But then this thought came to my mind that no one cares in this big wide world about what I feel and how I survived. ये काफ़ी पुरानी है. आई थिंक ये 5-6 साल पुरानी तो होगी, और हो सकता है उसी से भी ज़्यादा पुरानी हो. सो मुझे ये लग रहा है कि मतलब मेरे को हमेशा से बचपन से शायद बहुत डीप सोचने की आदत है. एनीवे, where's the next page? I don't know what's the next page. I have like 4 pages over here, so maybe I don't know how I'm gonna be like, if it's the right line after it or not. I have no idea. I think once, twice, thrice, and 1,000 times. That's why I'm getting all these negative vibes. What's the reason behind this condition of mine? Is it just me, or are there more people who are surviving with this mental state of mind? Okay, so many questions were there in my mind. Still, I have like a lot of questions, making me more disturbed and confused with passing time. I'm super creative, dude. I can literally beat ChatGPT. I have to take a decision as soon as possible until it gets too late to even regret for what I have done. Okay, that's not rhyming, but that's a very oh my god, that's a very sus state. Oh my god, I should not laugh. So there were 2 choices in front of me, either to catch the light or get trapped in the dark. It was hard for me to find myself. It was hard to find what's good in there. I always feel that I'm lonely there. There's no reason for me to catch the light. Wait, continue. So where I was, I always feel that I'm lonely there. There's no reason for me to catch the light. So I decided to let myself be in the darkness forever. But by doing so, I let my pain to grow more and more. I started feeling empty and nothing interests me anymore. I started being quiet all the time. Now silence has become a big part of my life. I couldn't connect to anyone anymore. Coffee and tea became the only happiness to my soul. That's still. I think once, twice, thrice, and 1,000 times that why I'm getting all these negative vibes. What's the reason? Oh, sorry, I'm just repeating. Sorry guys, I just read this page. My situation was getting worse day by day as I was falling way more than ever in the darkness that I chose as my way. This option was making me a dead soul day by day, but I was still not finding the right way. Then one day I read something that was too deep. It says that life is beautiful and easy, and it's your mindset that makes it look dark and deep. It says that sometimes it's okay not to feel okay, but if it's more than sometimes, then it's actually not okay. There can be times, there can be times when you feel all alone, but instead of taking it as negative, you should take it as golden hours. Being lonely is not bad, but it's a boon. Smart are those who work during this time and improve their self-growth. This is a time to find your passion, and once you find it, you'll eventually find yourself. So I decided to change my opinion on life, and now I'm interested to catch that light. Something in that saying hits me real hard. Now I am the reason why I want to catch the light. Life is a journey full of ups and downs. It's a matter of choices, and now I make mine. Everybody in this world cry alone at times. It's funny that we think and ask God, why me all the time? After catching the bright light, I think I get all the answers of my life. Now I don't like to go back to the dark. Instead, I'm interested to show the path of light to the ones who need it. And as I know that we all need it at some stages of our life, it's easy for me to find them. After helping myself, I would like to help others. This is our world, and we all are sisters and brothers. This is our duty to spread peace and love. And by being positive, we can achieve all of the above. Smiling faces are all what we need. I told you life is beautiful and it's all about good deeds. How a small paragraph can change my attitude towards life, seeing that I decided to write something which can make your heart feel light. We all have difficulties in life, but if we know the way to fight, we can always end up making things right. This journey of me to find myself ends on a positive note. Now I am cheerful, happy, passionate, and full of love. It's a time for you to find yourself. I hope that you will find yourself and make your life a beautiful journey once again. Oh my God, I wrote this, guys. Just look at this. This is I wrote, and that's a Purana page. That's like 5-6 years back, when there's no ChatGPT and all that. So, oh my God, I'm really impressed by my own writing. Seriously, like finding me is my poem. If anyone wants to, sponsor my poem. Anyway, guys, so मैंने ये पढ़ी इससे पहले, just before making the YouTube video, I read it, and I really find there's a message behind it. I don't know what state of mind I was when I wrote it, but when I read it, it's really intense actually. So I thought to share a deep thought which is related to this poem only. So, at times we all feel very lonely, and at times we feel negative and dark. There's going to be a stage in your life or a phase when you're going to be feeling extremely lonely and extremely, at your worst. But at that time you have to be your own source of light. So never give up, and never think that it's only happening to you. Life is a roller coaster ride, so everyone has ups and downs. And whenever you feel that you are it's just happening with you, you have to remove that thought and try to communicate. If communication is not possible, at least try to work on yourself, and just stop. I know it's difficult to say, you stop overthinking and stop just be happy. It's just a statement, but it's not easy to be happy, especially when there's something going on in your head which is very difficult to explain. But just believe that there's light at the end of the tunnel, and everything is temporary in life, whether it's happiness and whether it's sadness. So never take any any bad decision just because of a bad day or anything. So if there's a bad day, then the other day could be happy, full of happiness. So always believe in the power of God. Always believe that whatever you're surviving in life, it's because you have that strength to survive it. And I can like speak a lot on this topic only, and I think I'm going to be starting a playlist which will only concern this topic, because obviously mental health and these kind of issues are very common these days, and it's very important to speak about it, because yeah, that's something which is very I don't know, but underrated. But yeah, people are speaking about it these days, but still I think this is something which needs to be spoken more about, and it's completely normal. So whenever you feel alone, lonely, negative, anything like that, just try to be at peace at that time, and just try to be as much positive as you can at that time, and inculcate in activities like walking. Just go and sit with the nature, animals, and the good vibes. There could be at least one person in your life which around which you could feel happiness or good. So you can just sit with that person. You just need a person in your life to feel good. You don't need anyone's approval. So just try to always believe in the positivity and light. So yeah, I think that's gonna be like a lecture now. So yeah, it was just a poem. I want to share it, but I also shared a message. And in the comment section, if you want to share anything or any of your thought, if you want to share, you can share it. So yeah, that was all. Thank you so much guys for watching the vlog, and I really would appreciate if you're gonna be like writing 2-3 lines about my creative poetry. So yeah, that was all. Thank you so much for watching the vlog. I hope you guys like it. Please do like, share, comment, subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon for more notifications. I'll be back with new videos super soon. And Yongi, guess